a natural way to get rid of athlete's foot and skin problems on your feet. Simply soak them in this fizzy mixture. It's the best natural remedy for fungal infections and itching. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of dried oregano to a small bowl. Then, transfer the oregano to a pot. Oregano is a natural antibiotic with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Next, pour half a liter of water into the pot and heat it on the stove. Be careful not to let it boil. Heat it for 15 minutes to create an infusion. After this time, remove the pot from the stove and strain the liquid using a sieve. Prepare a basin for soaking your feet and pour in the oregano infusion. Now take some white vinegar. Measure out 300 milliliters and add it to the basin. In a small bowl, place 5 tablespoons of baking soda, which has strong antifungal properties and is natural and safe for the skin. Immerse your feet in the basin, ensuring all problem areas are submerged in the water. Then, gradually add the baking soda to the basin. The substances will react chemically, creating a fizzy solution. This alkaline bath helps relieve itching caused by fungal infections and is effective in treating both skin and nail fungus. Once the fizzing subsides, soak your feet for another 20 minutes. Dry thoroughly, and you're done. Repeat this process daily until the fungal infection and skin issues disappear. The shape of your foot reveals your character. Find out what your feet say about you. Usually, this part of the body doesn't get much attention, but the shape of your feet and the alignment of your toes can actually reveal aspects of your personality. There are 4 main types of feet: Egyptian, Roman, Greek, and square. An Egyptian foot is one where all the toes are arranged close together, often even overlapping each other. People with Egyptian feet are described as mysterious, valuing their privacy, and often possessing an artistic soul. They tend to be dreamers and are seen as gentle individuals. The most common type is the Roman foot. In this shape, the first 3 toes are almost the same length, while the remaining toes are significantly shorter. Those with Roman feet are often adventurous, enjoy learning new things, exploring new places, and traveling a lot. They are often extroverted and the life of the party, though they can also be quite proud. Greek feet are less common. The second toe is the longest, which often causes those with this foot shape to be self-conscious about their appearance. People with Greek feet are very active, dynamic, and capable of spreading their enthusiasm to everyone around them. In a square foot, all the toes are almost the same length, giving the foot a rectangular shape. This type of foot suggests an analytical mind, someone who is calm, rational, and makes decisions thoughtfully. They don't act on impulse, are trustworthy, and always finish what they start, following through on their plans. Does the shape of your foot match your personality? Put bay leaves in your sock. That's what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful not only in cooking. If you struggle with joint, foot, or knee pain, they work better than those smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this method to deal with pain. Just turn your sock inside out and put a few bay leaves inside. Then, go to bed. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also provide relief for muscle pain, as well as sprains and strains in the joints. How does it work? The temperature in the sock increases due to contact with the skin. The leaves begin to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still have no idea about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small, clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. If any seeds get into the juice, Strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days. Put some salt and a bay leaf into a sock. Before spending money at the pharmacy, try this trick. You'll need bay leaves and coarse salt, just like our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't realize that bay leaves and salt are useful not only for cooking, so put on warm socks and drop these ingredients inside. Salt has natural antibacterial properties that can help cleanse the skin and prevent infections. Meanwhile, bay leaves contain antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory effects. Using these two ingredients will improve the condition of your feet. Leave the socks on overnight. The combination of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will soothe tired feet all night long. This natural trick has been known for generations, yet most people are unaware of it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. Squeeze toothpaste onto your feet. See what happened to them. This recipe is cheap and incredibly simple. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt contains many microelements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Next, squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste. Add it to the bowl with salt. Besides removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Mix these 2 ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. Then add a tablespoon of coconut oil, which has deep moisturizing effects. Apply the mixture to your feet. It soothes and relaxes the feet after a long day. Also, apply it to your toenails. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and get rid of bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the treatment on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform this treatment regularly, your nails will become stronger. A lady at the drugstore shared this secret with me. Drop some petroleum jelly into boiling water. I'll show you how to make your own aromatic balms. Start by taking a small pot and filling it halfway with water. Once the water boils, add 2 containers of petroleum jelly. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. During this time, the petroleum jelly will melt and become liquid. After that, carefully remove the containers from the pot. Open one container and add your favorite perfume. For the second one, use your favorite men's fragrance. Mix everything well. Then, mark the containers with different nail polish colors to avoid confusion. Place them in the fridge for about 3 hours to harden. After that, they are ready to use. Apply them to your wrists and the area behind your ears. The wrists and the area behind your ears are spots where the skin is thinner and closer to blood vessels. This makes these areas warmer, which helps release the fragrance. The heat allows the perfume to develop better and become more intense.